Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Little Nightmares 3, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. First fix, simply restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check problem solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out, wait for few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then launch the game and check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check, or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and check which one work for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next, select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Little Nightmares 3 and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Now select Little Nightmares 3 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm and after this launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to the settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Select Little Nightmares 3 and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. Go to the PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connection. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Then relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Little Nightmares 3 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to fix Little Nightmares 3, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.